Hey, welcome back to another tax tip brought to you by Ferguson Financial Solutions. I'm Joshua Ferguson, and welcome to part one of our three-part series where we discuss the question, is it a business or a hobby? In part one, we'll talk about what constitutes a business. In part two, we'll talk about what constitutes a hobby. And then in part three, we'll wrap it all together. Now, many people engage in a hobby that turns into a source of income for them. It is very important to recognize that having a source of income does not necessarily mean having a business. If you have a hobby that you think may be a business, hiring a tax professional to help navigate those waters can be very advantageous. On the other hand, if you have been operating a business that you think now, hey, maybe it's a hobby, consider consulting a tax professional to help make that decision. If you want to try a free option, these tax tips are free to you. They're my gift to you. Take what you need from them and share them with your friends and family. Now, without further ado, let's get down to business. The IRS defines a business as an activity carried on with the intention to make a profit. The IRS also has a set of factors that they take into consideration when determining whether an activity is a business or a hobby. So those factors are: the activity is carried out in a business-like manner, and you keep and maintain accurate books and records. Time and effort are put into the activity to show the intent to make a profit. Income from the activity is substantial for your livelihood and the livelihood of your family. Losses to the activity are due to circumstances outside of your control or are normal for the startup phase in your business. You change methods of operation to improve profitability. You and your advisor have the knowledge and experience needed to carry out the activity as a successful business. So basically what that means is you're not shooting from the hip. You have the knowledge and experience. You were successful making a profit in similar activities in the past, and you can expect to make a future profit from the appreciation of assets used in the activity. Thank you for watching part one of our three-part series where we discuss the question, is it a business or a hobby? Now, if you have a hobby that you think may be a business, reach out to a tax professional. Ferguson Financial Solutions can be reached at 907-395-4027 or visit us on the web at fergusontaxpros.com. If there are any tax topics that you want to know more about, leave them in the comments below. Remember to like this video, remember to share this video, and subscribe to this channel. We'll see you next time for part two, where we discuss what constitutes a hobby.